Now we will be drafting the slide pocket for the denim pants. First, we will get the center from point number 2 to point number 4 by folding the tape measure once. Then we will mark the center this way. Okay, we will just mark this with a small letter A. Okay, then from point number 4, we will go down 2 inches or 5 centimeters. We will be marking this with a small B. Now we will draw a curved line for the slide pocket. Okay. So now this is going to be the curved line for the slide pocket. From point small a, we will go out 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters. And we will mark this with a small letter C. From point C, we will go down or square this to 7.5 inches or 19 centimeters. This is I based the measurement from the ruler. We will mark this point a small letter D. Based on our tape measure, this should be 7.5 inches or 19 centimeters is lower than that of the ruler. That's why I actually suggest that we just use the tape measure. So this will be a small d. From point small b, we will go down 5.5 inches or 14 centimeters. We will mark this point with a small letter E. Then we will connect point B to E with a straight line. Okay? Of course, you can make this longer if you wish. If you want a deeper pocket, you can always make point D to E a little longer. From point E, we will go up 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters. We will mark this point with a small letter F. Now from point small letter E, we will go out 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters. We will mark this point with a small letter G. Now we will connect point small letter F to point small letter G. Just connect with a shallow curved line this way. We have completed the drafting of our slide pocket for our denim pants.